Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your iPhone 12 is updated and charged. This prevents interruptions. Once ready, open Settings, tap Face ID and passcode, and enter your passcode so you can make changes. If you already have Face ID, tap Reset Face ID to remove the old data. Otherwise, select Set up an alternate appearance. Do this now so the phone can accurately record your face. Make sure your face is unobstructed and the room has even lighting before moving on. Now you will capture 2 complete face scans. Hold the iPhone upright and position your face inside the frame. Keep about 10 to 20 inches from the camera and follow the on-screen motion. Slowly rotate your head to complete the circular scan. Once the first scan finishes, repeat for the second pass. This improves accuracy. If you wear glasses regularly or want an alternate look, choose Set up an alternate appearance and repeat these same steps so when the scan's complete, tap Done to save your new Face ID data and immediately test it. Lock the phone, wake it, and glance at the screen to unlock. If it fails repeatedly, reset Face ID and re-enroll. Do this in even lighting, remove any face coverings, and keep the camera area clean. Also inspect the True Depth camera for smudges or damage, and make sure attention-aware features are enabled so the phone requires your eyes to be open for security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.